Hello everyone, it's Matthew. It's the 28th today, November. You can see on this Mexico cam at 4:32. You can see where there's an explosion at the volcanoes, so I thought I'd show you some volcano images on the Mexico cams. This is absolutely stunning. You can see where the lava's coming out. These volcanoes are now being activated. They're active. And basically this is caused by the pole shift. These situations are because of the Nibiru system, the Nemesis, and also Helion and other moons that are coming into our solar system right now. This is another image that's been videoed at 4:48. You can see where the lava is still pouring out the volcano. Now, the thing is, when the pole shifts, these volcanoes are going to first be active. They are active now. It's been told all over on different channels that this will happen. Look at this huge explosion at 5:16 a.m. You can see this explosion is just happening now while we're here in 2016. What I was going on about supernova sun, it's just basically that our sun is acting like a supernova. Okay, it's just getting white hot at the moment because of the Nibiru system and Nemesis that's coming in from the backside of the sun. Now the thing is, basically, when I also said about the chemtrails feeding the sun, it's only basically, it's just covering the sun to protect us. It's just a formal word to say basically that our clouds are not producing enough hydrogen now, as they have to put chemtrails up there to feed the situation is covering the sun, so in the seeds, so in the clouds. So basically they're really hard at this now. You can see, look at this, absolutely outstanding. Look at these chemicals that are up there, and also the clouding that's being burnt. Now the Nibiru is there. Nibiru is there on the image. It's just basically the sun's above it. You can see the redness of Nibiru on the above and around the sun, and you've just got a glimpse there of the planetary object, and Nemesis is there as well. It's just basically a case of keep looking at the cams, looking at the camcorders, because it's amazing. Now look at this. This is amazing. You can see this now. You really need to study this now because Nibiru is here. It's here and it's getting bigger. And also, I stress to you, please, when the sun goes down here in the UK, look up to the left-hand side and you will see the red star. You will see it. It's there blatantly now. Our atmosphere is not making it twinkle. It's actually close now, so it's just basically everything's here now. The system is here. Okay? Now, the thing is, Nibiru and the dwarf star is making our sun act like a supernova. It's not a supernova, but it's acting like it's twice as hot now. And the core of the sun is being so much affected by this. The core of the earth is being affected. The volcanoes, the earthquakes, the tsunamis, the sinkholes means that the earth is stretching and it's causing the holes to basically collapse. Very huge object, the sinkholes. You see the top part and the bottom part, but underneath the sinkhole is another good 100 feet of weakness. You know, they don't tell you that, do they? Now here again, the sun is basically burning the hydrogen off the clouds, and the Nibiru system had come in on the other images, and it's all basically all happening now. There is no way out. Okay? Now here is the sun that's coming up. You can see the reflection of Nibiru, the pinkness, and also the brown dwarf star Nemesis is burning the hydrogen off the clouds. The sun is doing exactly the same. They're all up there together now. And on the Mexico cams, they don't hide anything. There's no halo. They don't hide anything. Okay? Now, the thing is, they white screen the Mexico cams when you blatantly see it. But sometimes they slip up. Steve Olsen's told you this. Other people have told you this. Till Martin's picked up on Mexico cams where they slip up and miss out images so you can see it. Now look at this pink haze coming from Nemesis, Nibiru, and the sun. They're all here. And the clouds are being burnt. There's too much pressure now that's causing the clouds, the hydrogen to burn away. And the sun, as I said, is acting up now. Every day it's acting up now. And if you look at the sky now in the mornings, it looks like we're eclipsing. It's like a moon eclipse, and it's not. It's the heavenly bodies that are now coming in front of the sun. They move from the back side into the front side, and they're moving like comets, and they're dragging so much trash, so many comet trash. It's unbelievable. We're going to be affected. Look at this. Can you see the red haze? And you can see above Nemesis haze and the sun. So we're getting so much solar activity. The chem planes are trying their hardest. They're covering most parts of the world, but they're leaving other parts. So people are seeing this now. Now look at this, very interesting. You can see the bright object coming up from the horizon, and also you're getting this light object. Now we're getting this here in the UK in the same part. Some part of the skies are very light, and it's because we've got heavenly bodies that are up there, that are close. The moons, Helion, they're all up there. And basically we need to repent and start trying to get a fresh, clean. Now here is an image that's very important as well. This is a UFO object that I caught on the Mexico cam. It was today. You can see, if you zoom in, this object is a craft. It is not one of ours. They are always spotted on the Mexico cams. It's very interesting to look at this. So everybody, please take care. Thank you for viewing the channel, and I'll give you more footage soon. I'll try and get another video out soon for you tonight. And respect you all, because things are happening now. And take care and repent. And basically, Chris Potter, take care and respect.